Yeah, good morning. This is Carlos, Sunday, the 29th of September. Can't believe it's already September, end of September. I'm here with my Carbon Giant T-28 Trojan, as you can see, and I have everything active, connected. 2 battery cells in series, 3 plus 3 equals 6. And I got my BEC probe, like Castle Creations, and AR 8000 with the satellite. Everything's connected okay. Transmitter on, and I'm going to try out the retracts. I'm going to show you a little funny. Of course, now that I got everything active and video rolling, it's going to probably call me a liar, but I've been having some issues. Everything goes up, and then when I cycle them down, only the nose wheel retract goes down. The mains don't. I have to cycle it again, and then finally it's unnerving. The mains come down again. So here goes. All right, everything's smooth, and I'm going to command them to gear down. Oh, what do you know? All right. Anyway, sometimes the main gears go down, sometimes they don't. All I'm left with is the nose wheel. Kind of unnerving, but it is what it is. If anybody knows what it might be, let me know. But I'm going to command them gear up again. Everything seems to be okay. Here goes gear down. Well, I'll be. Well, you know, I am not going to fly this model with gear up, considering what I have observed. And of course, since I got the video running, the model is calling me a liar. Oh well, if anybody knows any solutions, let me know. Take care. Bye.